Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fishers Off-Road, and I'm answering a question that I got from a few different people on YouTube about my truck bed cover. I did a video and put it up as a short on how to strap stuff down and how we were strapping stuff down. And a couple guys saw I had an axe mounted up in there, and they were like, how did you have that mounted to your truck bed cover? So I'm gonna show you real quick my setup here in the Diamondback. Up here in my panel, I have the toolbar with my quick fist clamp. I have the Diamondback MOLLE panel, which I put my bags on here. I put my Diamondback tie downs in there just to keep them dry and out of the way, and I know where they're at. And then I also have a light up here. This is a light right here. So at night when I am up here in my truck bed, I can just hit that light and it lights everything up. I have my axe and I have my shovel, and you would be amazed how many times I've used these just on different road trips or even at family get-togethers or just out doing our thing. And there's different variations. You could set it up for weapons, gardening tools, shovels, all kind of stuff. So this is just a setup that is for me, you know, how I use it. And then up front here in our front panel, and one thing you always want to make sure you do is keep that locked. And there's actually a safety catch right here. You got to lift it up in order to get the panel to come up, because it only comes up a few inches. Because if you're going down the road, you forget to lock your panel and it does come up, this catch is going to save it. And then if this doesn't save it, there's also a cable right here to keep it from just flying off when you're going down the road. So there's a lot of safety precautions in this front panel here. This is a 8-inch cross bin, so it goes down 8 inches. And they also have a 13-inch, but I like the 8-inch because I can still utilize my bed and put stuff up underneath it. But I keep a lot of stuff in here, a moving blanket, I got tools, a winch accessory kit, I've got jumper cables, extension cord. I've got a few different things in here that I use on a daily basis. And this just kind of keeps it out of the way. I don't have to deal with it laying down in my truck bed and sliding all around. I also have a light up front here, so at night if I need to get in my cross bin, I just turn that light on. As far as my truck bed cover on my F-250, it's an HD cover, which means it holds up to 1,600 pounds on top. I go for the smooth finish. I really like the smooth finish. Ever since Diamondback came out with that, that's been my go-to. As a matter of fact, we have it on our Jeep. This is on our Jeep Gladiator. And now this is an HD, and looking back, hindsight, I probably would have gone with the SE because I'm not putting a rooftop tent on here or any heavy loads. So I would have went with an SE that holds 400 pounds. I really don't need a 1,600 pound HD truck bed cover on our Jeep Gladiator. Now over here we have the Tundra, and this has the HD cover on here with the smooth finish. And the only thing I get on the covers anymore is cleats. I don't get the ATV or side-by-side setup anymore because we just really don't load ATVs and side-by-sides up on top of our trucks anymore. It may be something that I put a rooftop tent on the F-250 eventually, you know, looking to doing some overlanding type stuff. For now, I'm just happy with the way it is, and this is my setup. I was just up there in Phillipsburg, PA not too long ago and visited with them and did a little factory tour and saw Ethan, and it's just good to catch up with those guys because, man, we've been friends with them for over 20 years, been using their truck bed covers for over 20 years. And I got to tell you something, they have come a long way. They are definitely the best in the business. And if you're looking for a truck bed cover and you want the best that's out there, there's nothing better than a Diamondback. You can get some crappy fiberglass thing and it won't hold up and people can break into it. You know, with this, people aren't breaking into it. It's weatherproof. There's no water getting in there. You can run it through a car wash and the water's not getting in there. So my opinion, there is nothing like a Diamondback truck cover. So if you got any questions, feel free to hit me up. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.